If you've ever been to Costco, you've probably noticed how busy the food court always is. But have you ever wondered what a food service assistant actually does? It's much more than just serving hot dogs and pizza. A Costco food service assistant is responsible for preparing food, taking customer orders, operating the register, restocking ingredients, cleaning workstations, and making sure everything meets Costco's high standards for food safety and customer service. Since the food court can get incredibly busy, the job also requires working quickly while staying friendly and organized. When it comes to pay, Costco has a reputation for offering better wages than many other retail and fast food employers. Along with competitive hourly pay, employees may also receive benefits like health insurance, paid time off, retirement plans, and opportunities for raises and promotions. Overall, it's a fast-paced role that's best suited for people who enjoy staying active, working as part of a team, and helping customers. It can be physically demanding, especially during peak hours, but many employees appreciate the competitive pay, strong benefits, and the chance to build a long-term career with one of the most respected retailers in the industry.